Hey Chris, I had a quick question on our website. Um, this is on the home page, and I have no idea how to get this out of here, where it says example collection title. Um, I also have no idea how to change if I wanted to these pictures, and then underneath here, popular styles. Um, so example collection title. I don't know what this is. Um, Underneath men's footwear, women's footwear. So it's just those few things. I just don't know how to fix them, or edit them, or add things. If you could show me where, that would be great. I know how to go in here and add a collection right here and add photos, logos like that. As you can see, I've done that, but what I just showed you, I don't know. So if you could let me know how to do that, that'd be great. Thank you.